This is just a quick video of 2 gift ideas for women. That's right, just 2. So gift number 1 that I would recommend is the Airmoji. So I'll put a link in the description below. And this is what it looks like. It is an air freshener with Bluetooth. And you pair it with your phone and you can set a timer with your phone and change the timer. And you can also use it without the Bluetooth. You just push this power button. And how it works is you put a pod in there and there's no flame, there's no cords to plug in. There's a cord to charge, but it's cork and it's all natural materials and natural scents. The cork is soaked in a fragrance, and there are many fragrances, and there's a little fan inside that turns on that pushes the scent out. So there's the Airmoji, what it looks like. It comes in black and white. And then there are Minimojis, or Moji Minis. And they are similar, except they're a lot shorter. And there are no moving parts in these ones. So there are no fans. You just place the pod inside like that. And as you can see, this pod is not opened all the way like the other one. And I'll get to that in a bit. But I just want to show you the power cord that you use to charge your Airmoji. And it's just a USB cord like that. So that's what it looks like. And if you know a Moji rep, you can invite them over to your house and check out the sample fragrances. There are lots, and they have special fragrances for different occasions. They have Christmassy ones right now. So choose a fragrance or 2. I think this is a great idea for a gift because it's safe for children. They can play with this, they can put their fingers in it, nothing will harm them inside. It's all natural fragrances. And the reason I said I'll talk about poking a hole in the pod is because I'm very sensitive to scents. And if I'm around scents too long, I get a headache. But Airmojis are pretty good. They don't bug me. And especially if you just poke 1 or 2 holes in the pods, because then it's so mild that I could smell it all day and I wouldn't get a headache or get nausea or anything like that. So if you have someone in the house who's sensitive to scents, you can totally try this out. I don't think it'll bother them. And because it doesn't bother me and I'm very sensitive to scents. But if it does for some reason, you can turn it off and put it away. And then when they're not around, you can turn it on and have it going. Now the second gift, it's a picture frame that is also a charger for your phone. And it is so convenient and it looks so good on the nightstand because it just looks like it's a picture. It belongs there. No wires. The wire goes down behind the nightstand. And I'll link a video below in the description of how I made this, because you can buy it, but it's $70 or something. And if you already have a picture frame that's deep, you can just make one for under 20. Thanks for watching. See you next week.